Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you a wee salmon pattern. And this one's called the golden shrimp. Now the hook in the vise is a partridge patriot double in silver in size 8. The thread that I'm going to use to tie the fly is uni thread 801 red. So we'll just come in a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook. We'll just get our thread started. Remove the waist tag of thread. Now the oval silver tinsel that I'm using for the tag and the rib is the fan yards in size 14. So just get a wee length of this off. Just offer this up to the hook. Then we'll just work our thread down. I usually stop my thread sort of way just slightly past the points of the hooks, and then I come around with 4 turns. The oval silver tinsel, last turn in between the 2 hooks, then just spiral your thread forward, tying this in, and then we'll just fold this back for the rib. The tail is just some bucktail dyed a fluorescent orange. So just take a wee fibre there. Now the length of the tail, it's really up to you. It's a personal preference. I sort of way like my tail on the flies that I tie and fish roughly to be twice the length of the hook over the back. So just come around with a pinching loop and a couple of turns to hold. Right. Just get that sitting nice, and then we'll just come in and trim away the waist. And the tail, I want to add in some flash. So this is just a couple of strands of, this is the micro flash in orange. So just offer that up. Now this is a good wee fly to have in your box for the whole season. It's nice and bright, very effective. For me, in taking grills, now I'm just going to work my thread forward. At this point, just tying everything in, making sure the tail's nice and secure. Just nice and tight. You want to tie a fly that's going to last. Then we can work our thread back down. Now, when I get back down near the tail, just come in and hold the tail, and just come up tight back onto the tail. Now the rear body, it's a gold tinsel. I'm going to use the uni mailer, silver and gold in size 12. So just get a length of this. Now you could use a gold holographic as well. Now if you're new to fly tying, these are the jewel tinsels, the uni mailers. So for the gold, if you want gold on the fly, which I do, you want to tie it with the silver side facing yourself, and then we'll just work this forward. Then we'll just come around with our gold tinsel, just have a wee check, see where we are, and then you're just looking overlapping turns of the gold tinsel, just for the rear half of the body. Catch that in and trim away the waist. Now the front part of the body, I'm going to use some Antron in this lovely bright orange colour. It's very strong. My Antron's really tough, but it's a good dubbing, this. So once you get it anchored onto the hook, then you can really be tough with it and begin to tighten up. Just end up with your thread in front. Now If I was going to do a whole tinsel body, I would have used a silver wire to protect the body, but because we've got the dubbing at the front, the oval silver just beds into that nicely. Catch that in. Then we'll come in, trim away the waste oval silver tinsel. Any wee fibres, just get those back. The wing, this is just some golden yellow, very bright yellow Finn Raccoon. Right, length of the wing, we all have our own ideas. It's up to yourself. I just like to go just sort of way halfway into the tail and just pinch it there. A couple of tight turns to secure. Come in if the waist ends, and when that goes away, into the wing we'll put some more flesh. Just the same flesh we use for the tail. Orange micro flesh. Catch that in. Just fold that back nice and tight. Come in, trim that away. Now the wing's sitting high simply because of the dubbing at the front. Once that's had a swim, that wee wing will sit far lower. The front hackle, you're just looking at a nice orange hen hackle. So just offer this up. A couple of turns, going to fold back the tip. And what I want to do is I'm going to come down over these cut ends at this point and tidy those up. Then we'll come back up, take that away. I'm going to look to use the full hackle up. I want it nice and bright at the front. Follow this around with my thread. Couple of nice tight turns on here. Then we can break away the stem. Now you can see the colour that you can get. Now you don't need to put jungle cock on, but I'm going to put 2 eyes on. The wee fly works without the jungle cock. Jungle cock's more for aesthetic purposes for the angler. Right, just offer these up. Just come around with a couple of loose turns just to see what way you're sitting. Right, just have a wee check. I'm happy with the length. And then just tighten up onto these. Fold back the stems. And then we'll just build up the head. Wee fibres want to go forward. Just get them to sit back for you. Keeping your thread tight. Break those away. Straighten with your whip finishing tool. Pull your thread tight. Come in, trim away our tan thread. Now, and get a wee look at the fly before we finish off with the head. As you can see, it's a great wee fly. It's good in the size 14, but sort of way when fresh fish are in, good in the size 8 too. And just a wee drop of super glue on the head. Just always being mindful not to touch the hen hackle. It'll just ruin all your hard work. Now the glue does have a tendency to run. And I just like to square that off with my needle. So there you go, guys. That's the golden shrimp. Now tie a few of those up for next season, and hopefully they can catch you a few fish. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps my channel grow. And until the next time, please take care of yourselves and each other. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.